This is section 2E of the Manage Pages tutorial. In this section we'll be talking about bookmarks or anchor links. We will be working again with the test page that we've been working on since the beginning. I'll be taking you through what anchors or bookmarks are and how we would use and insert them. So with our test page, you'll remember from the last time we ended up with inserting 3 different images, and to illustrate this example, I've just gone and repeated all of that content again. So we've ended up with a page that has an awful lot of content. So back here in the CMS view, you can see here, scroll, 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 scroll. And on the live page itself as well, if you were here as an actual customer, you'd be scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling again. So that's about 6 screens worth of content there. So if you can imagine a customer who's come to this website and you're looking at this screen here, you're not to really know immediately that there's really so much content to read through at the end. And what if what you're interested in, appears, 4 or 5 screens down? It can be a frustrating experience for them to find what they need quickly, and it can, lead to a bad experience on your website. So to avoid that, what we do is we use anchor points or bookmarks, which are little kind of jump to points that you can use in order to send someone quickly to a section on a page. Very, very easy to do. So I'll show you an example of how we would do that and how we would set up a quick links section. So in our CMS view, we have all of these different sections which we've used the different headings for. And to create an anchor or a bookmark, we need to place the cursor near where we want the anchor or bookmark to be, so where you would jump to in the text. And we're going to click on this little flag icon, the little anchor icon. And it asks us to give it an anchor name, which has to be unique, so they all have to be different names. So I'm just going to name them after what they are in this, I'm giving them section 1, section 2, very boring, but on an actual live website they're probably going to have more meaningful names. So if we just go through and repeat that, so again for section 2, same thing again. And we'll just fast forward through this whole section here, but you can watch along with me. So we've gone through now and we've created anchor points or bookmarks at all of the different sections in our page here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to create a quick link section at the top. Anchors and bookmarks can also be very handy. You can use them in a lot of different areas in the website, and we'll show you when we come to the menu how you would link to anchors there, because sometimes you might be wanting to link to a specific section on the page that's relevant. So in here we're going to again create ourselves a quick links menu. Okay, so we went through previously how you would create text links, so the same thing works again. So, and we're just going to create quick 5 examples here. I'm not actually going to go through it, make you sit through all 11 of these. So we've created our anchor points and we're now going to turn these into links to those anchor points. So highlighting the text on our link menu here, we're going to go to link to an anchor in the text, and it's going to bring up this little sub menu here by anchor name. Remember when I said that you had to give them names that you're going to remember? That's so that we can do this. And we'll go through and repeat the same process again all the way through. An epic fail in that I can't number, so there we go. Missed out on number 5. Alright, so if we save this page now, and we'll again refresh our test page that we've been working on. There we go. So if we wanted to, we can now jump straight down to section 6, like so. And we'll see that again, this time to section 4. There we go. So anchor links can be very useful when you have a lot of content, which requires a lot of scrolling on behalf of visitors to your website. It's just another way of formatting your page and making it a little bit more user-friendly. This concludes the anchor tags tutorial.